Thank you, Tunde.
All right, there. Well, issues around the market. We expect that market attracts more investment. FDI, FPIs are needed in this part of the world at this time. Nigeria needs FX to stabilize spendings and all of that. Let's talk more on markets and equities trader with APT Securities and Funds Limited. Mr. Jamiu Mohammed joins me to continue this conversation. Mr. Mohammed.
Good afternoon.
I must thank you for joining us. I just spoke to Mr. Babajide and we stayed on the market for some time. That confidence that everyone seems to be expecting returning back to Nigerian market. What do you make of it, and how well are local players still playing in our market, even as the financial market or the financial sector of the market continues to gain more strength?
Currently, we cannot say specifically the level of participation by the foreign investor compared to the local domestic investor. But that does not mean that we have not been seeing some lights at the end of the tunnel, showing that it's like the foreign investors are coming back to our market, looking at the level of their transactions they have been doing in recent times. When you look at the November figure, as regards to the FPIs, foreign portfolio investment in our market, you will realize that in the month of November alone, the foreign investor moved from the region of 15% participation into 23.74%, more than 50% participation within just a month. So flowing into December and January, we will realize that the level of activity that we have been witnessing so far in this market has shown that there's inflow of funds into this market. And that's even why we have been trading this magnitude of trade. As we speak today alone, we traded about 15 billion worth of stocks. This is very unusual that compared to what we have been trading in recent time. So, specifically speaking, I want to allude to that fact that our foreign investors are coming to our market gradually, and we believe that this trend that the market has experienced is going to continue in the recent time.
This is it looks very good now. But what would you say? This is the first full walk week for the new year. Are you thinking that the market will skip staying in green, or do you think that the market could get to bleed anytime in this week?
That's what I'm saying. When you look at the level and the trend at which the market is trading now, you see that the trend is very huge as we speak. And don't forget the fact that there are some of those activities that is happening around the government, that the government is now getting some big guys to know the level of transaction in forex market in the last 10 years. They want to look at those books. You know, I don't want to mention names, those that have been visited so far. And this found as a kind of secret to everybody. Those that have this dollar, they are not investing it they are not investing it. They are now looking for a way to push this fund into the capital market to be able to gain from what we are currently having in the market today. So all these activities is gearing towards the fact that our market is enjoying this move by the current government as we speak.
I must thank you so much for your time as usual. Thank you, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, for starting the week with us. Well, let's see how it plays out. But on the other side, I wish you a profitable week.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Asian shares, dallied.